Hey guys, I'm Trui and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you why it is so important to actually have thumbnails on Twitch and how you do it. We all know that it is important on YouTube to have thumbnails because if you have a good thumbnail, more people will click on your video and more people will see it. This is also the case on Twitch, but people don't really realize it. To show the importance of a thumbnail, we go to the Twitch main page. We scroll all the way down. There's a section right here with popular videos. These videos are basically just highlights streamers made. And none of those people here have made a custom thumbnail. These aren't really appealing thumbnails. Maybe this one here because it has a drawing and maybe you want to see how the drawing has been made. But the other ones don't really say something. What is gonna happen? Why would I click on it? No clue. So to give you guys an example, this is how my highlights look like. You don't have to have a unique thumbnail for every video. You can number them like I did or just use the same thumbnail. But make sure that they're nice to click on, that you actually know what the video is about. So to do this, we need to go to our dashboard. Click on the top right, create a dashboard. On the left here, you see video producer. You can see all your past broadcasts in here and highlights. If you want to change the thumbnail, just click on the little dots behind it and click on edit. Right here there will be a button to upload your thumbnail. Make sure they are in 720p and a JPEG. I want to help you with your Twitch problems, so leave a comment underneath this video. Tell me where you have troubles with and I will make a video about it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the little bell icon, and I will see you in this next video.